Hi traders, welcome to this pre-weekly market review by Trade Genius. It's July the 6th and we're looking at the GBP Convergence. We're actually going to assess it against the euro and the dollar. Just to give you a quick recap, stocks unstoppable in the US, almost reaching 2,000 points on the S&P there, but surely that's going to be a major resistance. We also have a lot of pound strength, and those two seem to be moving pretty much in alignment with one another there. And contrastingly against that US dollar. Although I must say that finally the dollar has crept its head above the surface just towards the end of last week with some positive NFP data obviously. Let's take a look now at the technicals. This is the GBP USD daily chart. You can see there a very clear trending channel towards the upside, and we're about to show you though that there is possibility for a reversal. Let's just wait now and move from the daily to the 4-hour chart. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, guys, what is called divergence. There is an MACD indicator here, and we can see that as the pound goes up, the MACD starts to go down. This can indicate a possible change in trend, and we're going to take you now over to the euro dollar to just compare that. You see the pound has been moving up, and convergently the euro dollar has been moving down. It all started with this double top here just before 140 levels, and obviously that reversal spike outside the Bollinger Bands, and now we're at a huge support line at 135. So hopefully if the pound does start to move down, we might see the euro pulling back a little bit. You can see here again that support. Last but not least, if we put the euro and the pound together, this is part of our ring theory, we're left with the euro GBP. We've seen the pound dollar, we've now seen the euro dollar, and when you put them together and we watch what happens here, this euro GBP is hugely oversold, and the pound really strengthening there all the way from 98 levels now down towards 0.77 levels. This is a flag pattern, guys, so we would expect that if there's no pullback here around 0.79, perhaps the 0.77 level will be the final support before buyers step back into play. You can see that now on the circles just on your chart. Last but not least, don't forget, next week we have some major announcements coming out. So we're looking towards Monday and Tuesday's business confidence in the Australian and New Zealand Asia Pacific markets. And then, of course, later on in the week, the FOMC meeting minutes, and at the end of the week, the UK bank rates. So trade safe and have a great week.